This is Jeff from Lion Developers, and I just wanted to make a video on just the settings part. So if you on the dashboard, you go to More and Settings. Here is probably the most important part of the whole app, and it probably needs its own video. So this is what we're doing today. First of all, this is your team login. So you need to give this to your team member alongside the PIN number that's generated. I will do a separate video on that, but this is essentially the code that connects them to your account specific. So that's the code, and you can just go to More here and you can share the code, and for whatever reason your account got hacked, or you can regenerate the code, and obviously you'll need to share out the code again to your team members. For the business details, you can add a logo, and this will be on your invoice, on every invoice. And the same goes for all these details here, will be on every invoice automatically, so you don't have to enter it in manually every time. Going into Cloud Sync, this syncs your documents so you can access them across different devices. I'm on an Android, so if you switch to Apple or on the web app and going through the website, you can access the same account through all three. And the same goes for if you are a Android tester and you receive a 1-year code, you can use that code across all of the devices as well. But there's only going to be 50 available. You got sync now. If you want to, for some reason it's not syncing, you can go in here and sync now, and that will sync all your data. You got 0 exports, so you can export your stuff for 0 if you use 0 as well. Your invoice settings, V is going to be in the front of every number that's generated. It's just short for invoice. That's pretty generic, and you can do the default note and payment terms every 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, 7 days, however you like, or you can, when you make the invoice, you can change the date there as well manually. A currency and tax, so this is a currency of your country or however you want to be paid, and all other different countries there. I will be adding more into the future. You can enable GST, and you got your date format there as well. Payroll rules, this is a new update that people haven't seen before because they've only just updated it. And this is for public holidays. If you're in Victoria, all Victorian public holidays will be automatically set for the payroll. And you can do a flat rate, or you can set your multiplier for after 8 hours you do 1.5, and 10 hours is double usually. You can set whatever you like. Enable overtime rates, enable RDO. You've got the union days. If your staff are in a union day or a picnic day, some other people have. And for some reason we've got it twice, so I will fix that. Don't mind that. Next we have business tax estimator. This is for if you're just working for yourself, or you have staff but you're also working for yourself at the same time. However you're going to do it, you can do the tax year dates, your sole trader, partnership or a company, and it will show your revenue, your expenses, and the wages that you paid to staff. Here we have payment collection. You just toggle them on and you can add in your banking information, your PayPal, if you want to accept cash. This is Stripe. It's if you want to get paid by card, and you make your own account through Stripe and you put your payment link there. And cryptocurrency, I'm sure everyone knows what cryptocurrency is now. You can add your wallet and add any of these. You can also just put in whatever address and label it your own, so it doesn't have to be any of these. The email template, this is a template that automatically generated when you want to share the invoice to the customer. With the ones in the brackets, it automatically grabs the invoice number and puts it within those brackets, so I suggest not changing those. But everything else between, you can edit it all and change it and make it say what you want it to say. Your time tracker, this is pretty much to time how long the job goes for and to maximize your efficiencies. You got your appearance on the app, light, dark, or matches the system settings for what you have on your phone. Stay logged in, this way you don't have to put in the password every time, and you got your face ID and app lock. So if you go out of the app and go back in, it'll ask for your biometrics. And You got subscriptions, so I'm on the business plan. Save all your settings and you got save at the top. If you go to business, you can see clearly what is on the plan. But that's pretty much it for settings. If you're using the app, please give me some feedback and be honest, because I want this app to work really well and make it useful for people. Thanks for watching.